you've gone through identities, you've gone through addition formula, double angle formula, cast diagram. Now you got to put it all together and try and solve harder trig equations. So, can you try the one on the board, please? Okay. You can use the addition formula for cos, because if you notice, this is in the form cos a minus b. So you get cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. And that's all multiplied by 4. So 4 cos theta cos 30 plus 4 sine theta sine 30. All of that equals 8 root 2 sine theta. Let's group. Actually, before we group, let's simplify cos 30 and sine 30. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2. And let me write that 3 a bit better. There we go. And sine 30 is a half. And now we can simplify. So 2 root 3 cos theta plus 2 sine theta equals 8 root 2 sine theta. Now let's group. 2 root 3 cos theta equals 8 root 2 minus 2 sine theta. I move that 2 sine theta to the other side, it becomes negative, and then factorize. Okay, from this point, we just want theta. We've got cos theta and sine theta. So where we've got 2 trig functions, we only want 1. So let's divide by cos theta and let's divide by the bracket. Like this. The reason for that is because now all of that equals tan theta, which makes our life a lot easier. Now, doing the inverse and making note of the unit here being in degrees, so we're working in degrees, you should get 20.4 degrees. From here, you want to use the standard cast diagram in degrees. 20.4 is here. We're going with tan. It's going to reflect this way, so this is also 20.4. So 180 plus 20.4 is 200.4 degrees. Solution 1, solution 2. There we go, done. Okay, the next one. Can you try this question for me, please? So for this one, you've got cos 2 theta. For this, you can use the double angle or a double angle. You've got 3 to choose from. Out of those 3, 2 of them include sine squared, which is just going to make your life more difficult. So you're going to go for the one that uses cos squared. Cos 2x equals 2 cos squared x minus 1. That's the one you want to use. So 3 bracket 2 cos squared x minus 1 minus cos x plus 2 equals 0. 6 cos squared minus 3 minus cos x plus 2. So 6 cos squared minus cos x minus 1 equals 0. And now it's just a matter of factorizing. After factorizing, you should get this, which means cos x is minus a third and cos x is a half. Okay? You're going to solve each one separately, making note of the angle being in degrees. Okay, so for minus a third, I'm going to stick it in my calculator. You get 109.47 degrees. And for cos half, you get 60. You're going to do two different class diagrams. One of them is for 60 degrees. The other one is for 109.47. It's cos. So this one will reflect like that, 109.47. And this will reflect like that, 60 degrees. So solution 1, solution 2. 360 minus 109.47 gives 250.53. And with the other one, 360 minus 60, 300. So we've got four solutions. 60, 109.5, 250.5, and 300 degrees. There we go. Done. That is how you solve trig equations using your addition formula and using your double angle.